India Mini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Kinong sosnong jongkar ni Shillong haka khat artarik unai luar arjar arpulai. Kila yabi pajba da kaji alam unong mikmat kanong krem constituency uba arder milar basayumoy banlit pensange ya kajing tre tamput kisipai India Air Force haulum Shillong kebarang hapo ka darbar snong ringi Shillong. Kisipai Air Force kila sedang ban kentur put da ka peniang paya syabar ka kerdop jong kete ketem sipai halor kani ka jingle usipai Air Force kinong sosnong kila ujor coba arden ban tuklar bat yarap lam banyak keren ya kini ke jingle kini kisipai kumta uba ardan menta kesngi ula lumlang ya kinong song snong banlet dawa pensange si sendan ha kini ke jingle pensange ya kate ke jing pentre nakaliang kisipai kim syam landut ban mi syabar kakerdop ban mi ya keren bat tat hadu bandawan wing commander kisayo lat ban keren ha kini ke jing keren nakaliang wing commander ula kular si uba ardan ban pensange no shwa ya kate ke jing tre uba ardan ula ong syakinong song snong baladakin sedang ban trebyang ban peniangi kite kipaya menta kesngi hadin bala pensange baro kinong song snong kini mi pajba ban pensange
Even DC office से भी जो आए थे they just cannot decide what you want to do. You will not allow. हम लोग अंदर चले जाएंगे. Stop the work. No problem. What I'll do is that we'll stop the work immediately. By the deputy commissioner that the meeting was convened tomorrow. It's supposed to be tomorrow. So I've already instructed the deputy commissioner, and the PhD also they told me they have requested, and the engineer himself, he came here to ask them, but he didn't listen, no? Which is why I had to come by myself. Otherwise, I didn't want to come, no? I've got some other works also to do. But since it is within my constituency, I cannot. I know, absolutely, definitely. You have been asked by the company to stop, you didn't stop. Even the DC, the deputy commissioner has asked you, you didn't stop, so we are here to stop this. You cannot continue your protest. Even this gate is not supposed to be closed like this. The road belongs to us. No. We Kalau betah ban pensenge no egini nama lasya kan dan kumbang abatai menenai lasya ke DC khot ngin pensenge egini ngin sya te lada kumnu shibet pi kumkinong sung bitre mi bedu pai ba ben sepentip yang tama kumbala long mata utu bahe lawan nang tai la betah ban pensenge mardor hi ban pensenge manginum ala pekin Shule pen ibor kumni nakaleng ko jing tementa ngila amnya pe nya prasam padon kamani ementa malasai ke DC kala khot te phiru salet te na pludi ke salet ten haban pen prab igani ke lasna ma ha kala biang